So I'm starting off with my lids primed with foundation and going in with the shade Realgar in the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm just blending this into my crease and then using it as a transition shade. Next, using a dense eyeshadow brush and the Venetian red shade in the same Modern Renaissance palette, I'm just packing this color onto my lids. Now, I'm taking the same fluffy brush from before and using it to blend this shade out. And to darken this up just a little bit, I'm taking the red ochre shade in the same palette and blending it onto my lids. I'm pretty sure I'm addicted to winged eyeliner, so here I'm mapping it out first with an eyeliner pen and then after filling it in with the e.l.f. liquid liner. After that's done, I'm taking a smaller dense brush with the black shadow in the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place and just going over the eyeliner. Now I'm just applying my lashes. I like to apply the glue on my lids first and then on the actual strip of the lash. Now I'm just priming my face with this Mary Kay primer and then afterwards applying my foundation, and I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the color Amber. So here I'm just highlighting my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Fullwear Concealer, and then I'm blending the concealer out with the same foundation brush that I used from before. And to set the concealer, I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and just pressing it in. After that's done, I'm taking a big fluffy brush, dusting the excess off, and then for contour, I'm using the darkest shade in the Profusion Contour 2 palette. We are trying to look snatched for our boos, okay? Or if you're single like me, we could look snatched for ourselves. You hear me? And to make sure we're matte and stay matte, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless pressed powder and putting this all over. I tend to get really oily around my nose, so I'm contouring first with a pressed powder and then going over that with that dark shade from the Contour 2 palette. I was actually sent some Kat Von D blushes and lipsticks to try out, and the Everlasting blush in the shade Snapdragon ended up being perfect for this look, so that's what I'm applying to the apples of my cheeks and the tip of my nose. Oh, and I forgot to contour my jawline, so yeah, that's it. Now I'm using the Colourpop Cream Highlight in the shade Avalon as a base for the powder highlight I'm going to be putting on top. And for that, I'll be using the pinkish goldish highlight shade in the Contour 2 palette. And taking that same Venetian red eyeshadow that I used from before, I'm just packing this under my lower lash line. Afterwards, I'm taking a NYX white eye pencil and putting this in my waterline. To finish the eye makeup off, I'm taking some mascara and coating my bottom lashes. Here I'm adding my fake moles and freckles. For the moles I use the e.l.f. liquid liner, and for the freckles I use a bobby pin and just dot a foundation that's a couple shades darker than me just all over. Then for the lips, I'm taking a brown NK lip liner, lining my lips. I'm going over that with this matte brown lipstick that I got from the hair store. And then finally, I'm putting the Kat Von D Vinyl Lip Cream in the center, and I'm using the shade Blossom. And that's the look. If you made it this far, you might as well subscribe. What you doing? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.